We are going to be doing ours on low pressure and surface weather. And so I'm going to start by drawing a diagram. So if you have a high pressure here and on both sides, and then a low pressure in the middle, the air will want to come into the low pressure zone to fill up the low pressure zone. It wants to fill it up because in a low pressure zone, all of the warm air that is here rises and it forms clouds. Which, when it forms a cloud, it causes it to rain on the zones. And so when it rises, and as it rises, the air cools and it comes into the high pressure zones. So it's just a big cycle of filling in the low pressure zones. And so the air, when it comes in, it wants to just come into the low pressure zone, but since the Earth is spinning, it starts going to the right like this, so it has to go like this. Ends up coming into the zones like this. And because it is like this, it makes a counterclockwise motion, which creates a cyclone around the low pressure zone. And now Kenna is going to show you some maps showing this.
Okay, so as you can see here, the cyclones show where the low pressure is. You can see it right here. And yeah, so it creates a lot of stormy weather. And on the precipitation map, you can see that it's going to be a lot more humid around these areas because it's low and there's lots of stormy weather. And so, yeah.
So, because it's in the cyclone and the air is rising and it rains, so the weather in the surface weather in a low pressure zone will be very rainy and humid. So that's all.
Thanks.